Good morning. What you doing? Having breakfast for school? All right, go and eat. Go. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is a brand new day, and we are up and ready to take on this day full on with everything that the day is gonna throw at us. We are ready for it. Tyler is having breakfast to get ready for school. Baby's getting dressed for work. I am about to do my green juice, just make Sarah bottle, waiting for her to wake up in a minute because she's shuffling in her bed. So I'm gonna make my green juice, go pick up my girl, and then do school run, get back, get workout done, and carry on with my day. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, and use time management to get things done. That's the only method that works for me. Some people can't handle things in order, but I find that if you do that, you'll get so much accomplished within a day. Anyway, with all that said, you guys will see the rest of the fam bam in a bit. So I'm gonna go make green juice and carry on with my day shortly, and make sure you guys get your workout in. And if you need a little company, if you need some extra push and some extra encouragement, click the link down below in the comment section and go over to my workout channel at Body After Baby, and please subscribe. And if you don't see the link in the comment section, there is the link up at the top of the channel where you see some word written where I think you have community about, and then you'll see words say channel. Click on it, and under that you'll see the channel listed, Body After Baby. Go follow me. It's also in the description box. It's everywhere for you to see and go support. Love you guys. For everyone that have already subscribed, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing. And for everyone that are doing the workouts, you guys rock. You got this. Let's get ready for the day. Honey, child.
Mama, are you ready to take me to school?
If I'm ready, I'll be ready when you sit down and finish eating, please. Can you do that?
Yes.
And hurry, or else you're gonna be
Not hurry.
oh. If you don't hurry, you're gonna be late.
No,
We don't
not
want,
hurry.
we don't want that, right?
Not hurry, that will be.
Okay, so let's see.
Let's see who's good finishing first.
Alright, let's see. Breakfast time. So you see, this is the only way I have breakfast before I work out, if I have to do school run. Because if I have to do school run, I want a little energy to walk down the street and to get back and to get workout in. Your school shoes. Alright, one done. Let's go see the queen. Let's go see the queen. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Yay. As you wake, you're clapping. Good morning. Oh, you're so sweet. Good morning. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. Good morning, morning. Good morning, princess. You're looking for your credit card?
Yeah.
No, it's in the bag, in my little pink bag in the room.
Hello. Oh. Come.
She played with you?
Ah, Papa don't have no time.
Papa don't have no time to Sarah.
Mwah. Bad girl.
Later.
Alright.
Babe's rushing out. Alright, let me go pick up Princess and feed her. Papa, morning. Morning, one teeth. Morning, one teeth.
have one teeth, bro.
Of course.
You can see it without you touching it.
Yes. Tyler, look in the living room. I see Sarah's slippers. Carrot, come give me, please.
Alright.
Au revoir. Mwah. You love jumping since your papa gone to work. Mwah, for my papa.
Bye.
Look, you see our little slippers in the living room. Your pants falling down?
Yeah.
Okay, go look you see your sister's slippers. Here it come. Show brother your treat. It's the first, you see it?
Yes, I saw the little square thing in white.
Yes. Give me, where is the other slippers? It fell on the ground?
Good. Good.
No, here. It's here.
Here. I have put it there. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Careful, careful, Ty.
La 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 la. 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 Show, 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 show. Clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands, or die. You love to hear little Sarah sing, clap your tiny hands, or die. Or die. Or die. For Johnny, clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands for joy. It's just love to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for Johnny, for Johnny. Clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny.
Okay, come. It's time for bottle. Ready to go get bottle? There she goes. We are all. Can I take a pair pacifier for me? Seat there on our table. Lights out. Go.
More joy.
Time for butter. Time for butter. Time for butter. Go tell Fibs bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sarah, let's go.
Sarah, don't touch that.
No, that's okay. All right, let's go. Sarah, leave the dishes.
Ah.
Your new seat.
Yes. My new seat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh.
I thought it was for Sarah.
No, Sarah, gonna get yours. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Find my feet. Great. Because I wonder where it comes from, so I think it was for mine. So that's why I see Tony.
You think it was what?
Mine.
It is yours.
But when I saw it, I think it was mine because here is black.
It is yours. To get some work done, but I have to pause to get some food. So it's lunchtime for me, and this is what lunch is looking like today. Just a salad with 2 eggs, 2 boiled eggs. So that's lunch while Sarah's watching TV. She already had her lunch. There she is. Sarah, come here. You guys are fun, have to be out. It's getting hot here. Come here, mama. Come here. You're too close. Come here. Come to mama. You're too close to the TV, okay? Okay? Don't go so close to the TV. You see my phone? You just want my phone? Thank you. Not for babies. Gone back. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna grab right now and go right back to work. I love seeing her playing by herself when Tyler is not home. Look at her. Sarah? Her favorite boy is on. Look at her face. She love him. She love him some Charlie. Look at her smiling with the TV. She's so beautiful. Sarah? Boo! I catch you. So why are you in the dark? Why are you in the dark? You okay? You playing Lego? Alright, it's dinner time when I call you next, okay? Because he's home from school and in his room playing his Lego. Alright guys, I am finishing up dinner right now. Today for dinner I made salmon, broccoli and rice for Tyler. So Tyler gonna have rice, broccoli and salmon, while Babe and I have broccoli, a little piece of sweet potato that we had from yesterday, and salmon. Alright, there goes Tyler's dinner. First up, here goes dinner for Babe and I. That's one for Babe and this one for me. done. Enjoy seeing Sarah doing this. Tyler, even until this day, Tyler don't like getting his hand messy. Sarah is not afraid of nothing. She gets in anything and squeeze anything up in her hand. Tyler would never do this when he was a baby. They're so different but yet so much alike. Look at her with that rice. She loved eating rice, so I thought, okay, give her some on our table. Was it a good idea? I'm not sure.